One of the tools you find in PeakWMS is purchasing. Purchasing gives you the opportunity to make inbound orders that you can export and send to your vendors. You also use purchasing to lighten your receiving process when goods arrive at your warehouse. To create inbound orders, it is essential that you create your vendors and assign your different products to them in PeakWMS. When creating vendors and assigning products to them, you open for the possibility to use PeakWMS forecasting in purchasing. To create an inbound order, you go to the Inbound Order dialog. This dialog is under Purchasing in the menu. Click on Create to make an inbound order. When creating an inbound order, you must fill out some information. You choose a vendor and you give the inbound order an order number. You can also choose currency and how to split shipping costs. Next up, you choose a forecasting method. You can choose to make an empty inbound order, where all lines are added manually to the order, or you can use the PeakWMS forecasting tool. The forecasting tool is meant as a help for you if you find it difficult to keep track of which items to stock up on. When using forecasting, PeakWMS will help you figure out which items and amounts to purchase. PeakWMS uses your previous sales to forecast how much you will sell of your products in the future. To create an inbound order with forecasting, you must consider the number of days that you want to set as base for your forecasting. PeakWMS sets 30 days as default, but you can enter the number of days that you want the forecast to cover. The number of days you enter affects the amount that PeakWMS suggests you purchase of each item. When all necessary info is given, you can generate a forecast. The products and amounts that PeakWMS sets is just a suggestion. You can always change it. When forecasting is done, you can make the adjustments that you feel necessary. When you have created an inbound order in PeakWMS, you can export it to your PC and send it to your vendors. You can also create an empty inbound order. When creating an empty inbound order, you fill out the same information as when using forecasting. Click on Generate Forecast to create your template. You can add as many order lines as you want. If you add too many, you simply click on the trash can icon to the far right of the line to delete. To add a product to a line, you press the line and type the item or EIN number. You can also press the search icon to the right and search for the product that you want to add. When the product is added, you enter amount and cost price. When your inbound order is created, you can find it in the Inbound Order dialog and under Receiving in the Worker dialog.